And we are here for the NCAA Women's College Hockey scores for Tuesday, January 23rd, or 13th. Tuesday, January 13th. I almost said 23rd. But Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. So we had the Beanpot Tournament going on today in Boston, Massachusetts. We had two games involving local. Boston, Massachusetts schools, and then Harvard is local, and so is Northeastern, local schools in the area. They're NC schools, but yeah. And then the Beanpot is going to be on the 20th as well, which I thought so. I did whip around that the finals, that the third place in the championship would be then. So we had the first semifinal. And in the NCAA, how they do it is if you have a tournament, you do a regular season tournament, you do like 4-team tournament. If it's like a multi-team event, like hockey, you wouldn't probably not do a multi-team event, so they would do but if it's a multi-team event and 4 teams, you play every team once, you play the other 3 teams once, and then maybe who has the best record, they win the invitational trophy for the year, or whoever has the best record, head-to-head record, or tiebreakers or scenarios, win the trophy. Or if there is a trophy, or just win in general. And then, or if it's a tournament, you basically have, you win all 3 games in a row, like basketball, 8-team tournament. You do it, you play 3 games in 3 days, and then you win the tournament. In hockey, you still have a Beanpot tournament, or you get a trophy, but it's 2 weeks in a row on, one on the 13th, and then it continues on the 20th. So yeah, Harvard, they defeated Boston College. Harvard defeated Boston College 2-1 in the first semifinal. That was at 4:30 Eastern, and then at 7:30 Eastern was the second semifinal. Was Northeastern and Boston University. And Boston University stuns the number 7. Northeastern Huskies, they stun them 2-1 in overtime. So then you have Boston College and number 7 Northeastern in the third place game, and in the championship, the two unranked teams. You're going to have an unranked team advance to the final as Harvard, Boston College. Both teams are unranked, but you did not expect Northeastern, though, a top 7th ranked team in the country, to make it to be in the third place game. So you have at 4th Eastern with Boston College and number 7 Northeastern, and then Boston University against Harvard at 7th Eastern. And then there's another marquee non-conference team, number 4 Penn State, number 10 Cornell. Sometimes midweeks, on the 20th, you have some non-conference, maybe other than maybe Thursdays. Some schools may have some conferences, they may have a featured game on Thursday, but it's really not but yeah, and then during the Olympics, I will not be doing whip around. I will still be doing the score updates, but it'll just be maybe delayed a little bit for the day, or the scores for the previous day. You know what I mean? So